Here is some great tasting Nutella, but without the sugar. On a parchment-lined baking pan, roast 2 cups of hazelnuts at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. Then rub the hazelnuts in a folded towel to remove the skins. And once the skins are all removed, blend them all together in a food processor until you achieve a very smooth nut butter. Scrape the sides down with a spatula if it begins to stick. Then finish blending it until totally smooth. Then add 2/3 of a cup of a keto powdered sweetener. One-quarter cup of cocoa powder, 1 cup of melted keto chocolate chips, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of sea salt. And process another 1 to 2 minutes until it's all smooth and glossy. Then pour it into small jars and refrigerate. It will thicken as it cools. And that's it, Keto Nutella. I hope you'll enjoy.